In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect voice remote to TV Sony. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a TV with smart capabilities alongside a smart remote, you will be able to connect them both, and most importantly, you can use the functions related to your microphone. So if you see a microphone icon on your particular remote model, this means that you will be able to issue commands to your TV using your voice. So you can change the volume, change the channel, and so on. So this is going to differ for every single model. For this example here, I chose to showcase a Google TV with this particular Sony remote, but it is important to check the manual for your specific Sony TV or Sony smart remote so you know what steps you have to follow. But you can try following these general steps and see if it works for your model as well. So to start, go over to these settings and access the remotes and accessories category. If you don't have a category with this exact name, you are either looking for something related to Bluetooth or smart devices that can be connected wirelessly. So when you access this category, ensure that Bluetooth is enabled or any sort of wireless communication method, and with this done, you can choose to connect via Bluetooth or, like I said, any other option available for your particular model. You will be able to connect them both wirelessly. Now, for this particular remote and this particular Google TV model, you will be able to connect by pressing and holding the volume down button alongside the microphone button for 3 seconds. Like I said, because this is going to differ for every single model, it is important that you check the manual for your specific TV and remote. An example would be to press the back button alongside the home button for another model. And because this is going to differ for every single one, I won't be able to showcase every single button combination. But for this particular model, upon holding these buttons for 3 seconds, it is going to remain connected. Now you can use the TV to actually issue commands. So you will be able to press the respective button on the remote and control the channel, control the volume, navigate through the menus, and of course you can use the microphone button to connect your TV remotely with your voice. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect voice remote to TV Sony. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.